Okay, what we're going to demonstrate here on the PAL system is what we call a ghost vehicle. What happens is we have a rail out there, or a station, and as you can tell there's a vehicle on it, and this is on path 2. The one following is path 3. Now what you're seeing here is NC host. If you notice up in the middle there, you can see the vehicle right there. And it's saying we have a vehicle on path 2. I'll zoom up a little bit. We have vehicle 2 on path 2, which is that vehicle out there on the rail right now. What I'm going to do is create a ghost. If you look out there now, there is no vehicle out there. I've pushed it to the other station or path 3. And once again, if you look on here, you still see vehicle 2 on path 2. If you notice the velocity, which is right there, it's not fluctuating or doing anything. That's because we have a ghost. What we've done now is I've brought up the path status where everything is green, and I've done a startup, or you do a reset path. If you notice now, there's 2 vehicles up here. It has a vehicle 1 on path 3, which is at the top. Notice the velocities once again are moving, so it's an actual vehicle there, but our ghost is still present on the other rail. Usually if you do a reset path, or you can come into NC host and also delete the vehicle, which I'll demonstrate in a second. What's usually a sign of a ghost is if we were to take that vehicle and try to move it from where it's at over to this path, it'll just move forward and stop. There'll be no warnings or faults. You'll just notice that it's blocked and it won't move any further. So what you can do, let me see if it's, hopefully this is clear. You can sit there and just click the vehicle that you want to get rid of, like that. Then you can come down here, say delete, and hit execute. You notice how the ghost is gone now. Now you can continue running the system. Everything will be normal. Another way to do this is if you can reset the path. What happens most of the time is you'll have people, after a power down or any kind of maintenance, push these carriers around. When that happens and they go to start up, they've usually reset and located all the vehicles, but they don't bother resetting the path that had nothing on there because you don't think you need to. Well, in that case, you won't get any motion. So if you were to just do a reset of path, it'll clear that ghost vehicle out, and then you continue with your motion. Everything should go back to normal.